Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3. We are here on the home page. I'm here to give you your overview for what is going on this week in the course. So if you'll go to course materials number 2, and you can scroll down to week 3, picture books. So this week we're going to talk all about picture books. We're going to talk about different types of picture books, those that have pictures and those that do not, as well as those that have words and those that do not. And we're also going to talk about ways you can use picture books in the classroom and the benefits that they hold for students. You have a couple of chapters to read from the textbook this week, chapters 5 and 6, that talk about illustrations as well as how text and images create meaning. You're briefly going to talk in chat this week on Monday about your author's study, so be prepared to share that. And your reading for this week is 3 picture books from the course list. There are 7 listed. You're going to complete the week 3 discussion, and your Caldecott project is going to be due. And that has a couple of pieces to it, but you'll be presenting that next Monday, February the 6th. So if you'll click on the folder, the first thing that you will see as usual is our week 3 presentation slides there that you can download. Remember, these are not narrated, but I encourage you to download them if you want to take notes during class, or if you're watching the video later. Now, one thing that I'm doing with picture books that I can't do with the chapter books is I've linked for you all of the picture books for this week, and these are read-alouds on YouTube. So if you click on it, it'll take you to YouTube and it will be a read aloud. These are not always the best read alouds, but they're the best ones that I could find for the books. This is in case you don't have access to some of the books or you can't find them. I do recommend getting the books and reading them yourself because your own reading is very different from someone else's. But here we can click on Finding Winnie.
What kind of story? You know, a true story.
And we see here just a nice little read aloud of the story. And so you can see the words, though they're not in this particular shot, and you can see the illustrations. As you're reading through the books, I want you to be thinking about those 2 pieces, text and illustrations, and how they work together. If you scroll down, you'll see your week 3 discussion board, and you'll also see the week 3 chat link. Something that I do want to show you, if you click on discussions over here, it'll take you to all of the discussions. Here in post your questions about the course, if you click on this, you can post questions that you have that everyone might have. I'm also posting questions I get about different assignments with my responses. So you will be able to get that information in case there's something that you're confused about. Now for the Grand Caldecott project that is also going on this week, you'll go back into courses, course assignments descriptions, and scroll down here to the Grand Caldecott project. The directions are here, but you're going to be reading 10 Caldecott Award winners from the past 17 years, since 2000. So you have quite a few choices. You have 17 choices and you only have to read 10, so it's about half of them. Only the award winners, not the medal. If you don't have access to the books, again, you can use YouTube to find them. I'm sure most of them are up since they are award-winning books. But what you're going to do is choose your 10 and you're going to create a short annotated bibliography where you give a short summary of the books, each of the books, a evaluation, what did you think of the book, what were its strengths and weaknesses, and how this book could be used in the classroom. Then you're going to pick your top 3 favorites and you're going to go to this picture book checklist and you're going to complete this picture book checklist for your 3 favorites. And that's what you're going to be discussing in class. And you're really going to push for your favorites, and then the class is going to take a vote and we're going to pick the book that we think would be the best of all the Caldecott winners that we discuss. And then here is your submission page for that. And then we're back here on the home screen, and that takes us through week 3. So I will see you guys in chat.